Early signs of pregnancy. In the first week of pregnancy, there are usually no specific symptoms. Most mothers do not realize they are pregnant until the first month. The first noticeable sign of pregnancy is usually a missed period. It is important to note that a woman's pregnancy is calculated from the first day of her last menstrual period. How to know if you're pregnant? As we have learned, the first noticeable sign of pregnancy is a missed period. In addition, some other symptoms may be present in some cases, such as a breast tenderness, a nausea and vomiting, a fatigue, a frequent urination, a bloating, and mood swings. However, it is not possible to say for sure that you are pregnant just because you have these symptoms, because some of these symptoms can occur in some people before their period. Again, many people do not experience any symptoms after becoming pregnant. As a result, it takes time to realize the matter of pregnancy. The most reliable way to know if you're pregnant is to take a pregnancy test. You can easily find out if you're pregnant at home using a pregnancy test kit. You can buy these kits from general pharmacies or pharmacies. In addition, you can also take a pregnancy test at a nearby clinic, health center, hospital, or gynecologist chamber. When to take a pregnancy test after intercourse. If you have missed a period and have had unprotected sex before, that is, if you have had sex without using any birth control, condoms, pills or tablets, injections, then you can take a pregnancy test as soon as you see that your period has not started on the specified date. If you do not know the date your period is likely to start, you can still test after at least 21 days of unprotected sex to see if you are pregnant. In addition, nowadays there are many advanced pregnancy test kits available, which can be used to find out if you are pregnant even 9 days after conception. How to do a pregnancy test. To do a pregnancy test at home, buy a pregnancy test kit/box from your nearest pharmacy or supermarket. A urine sample can be taken at any time of the day for a pregnancy test. The results are usually visible within a few minutes after urinating on the pregnancy test kit/stick. The type of each test kit is different, so be sure to read the instructions on the box carefully before use. What to do if you're pregnant? Once you are sure of your pregnancy through a pregnancy test, your first step should be to consult a health worker or a gynecologist if possible and get checked up and follow the advice of the doctor. Here are some things to do during this pregnancy. Take 400 micrograms of folic acid daily for the first 3 months of pregnancy or until the 12th week. Folic acid is available as tablets. You can take 10 micrograms of vitamin D tablets daily. There is a risk of various infections during pregnancy, so raw or poorly cooked food should be avoided at this time. To maintain the good health of the unborn child, smoking, excessive tea-coffee drinking, and drinking alcohol should be avoided. If you have any questions or concerns about your pregnancy, be sure to talk to your doctor.